Okay, this is the anterior side and this is the posterior side.
Okay.
The whole neck is divided into what?
Triangles.
Which triangle?
Posterior and anterior.
Mainly
two.
two. By what structure?
Sternocleidomastoid.
This is the muscle. Okay. All of you see here. So what is this muscle? So this is the sternocleidomastoid muscle. So what is this sternocleidomastoid muscle? So you should remember origin and insertion.
Mastoid process and profile and so.
Yeah, you should write. So identify the structure. What is the answer? Mastoid process and occipital bone, clavicle and sternum. So these 4 points you have to write. Okay. By this muscle it divides into. This is the anterior triangle. Okay. All of you see here. This is the anterior triangle. Okay. Then this is the posterior triangle. Okay. Now I told one more point. The sternocleidomastoid has two borders. So what are the borders? You show me which is anterior, which is posterior.
This is posterior trapezoid. Trapezius.
No, which is the posterior border and anterior border of?
This is the anterior. This is posterior.
Posterior.
Correct.
With trapezius.
You are confusing.
Yes.
First listen the question. Name the borders of sternocleidomastoid muscle. Which is anterior and which is posterior border.
Anterior from here.
So it's the anterior border of trapezius.
No. هذا يا أخي.
This is anterior, right? Anterior border of sternocleidomastoid.
Yes, and this is for.
Where it is? Show me.
The anterior is here.
This is the anterior.
That is my question.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we
So?
need this is posterior from trapezius muscle.
I'm not asking that.
Okay.
So I am asking
Show me.
show the borders of this muscle.
Okay.
So this is anterior border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. This is the posterior border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. Okay. Now what is? See now it comes. Now the
touch ليش؟
borders of posterior triangle. Okay, what we are studying here, this is the border. So this is posterior triangle. Okay, this is posterior triangle. Now you tell the border. This is anterior border.
Trapezius.
Posterior.
No, this is
The anterior border of sternocleidomastoid is attached to trapezius.
Anterior border of posterior triangle.
Don't get confused. So what? See, this muscle divides into two triangles.
Okay.
Anterior and posterior. So this muscle has two borders, anterior and posterior border. So now we are studying posterior triangle.
Okay.
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 So now what is the anterior border?
Sternocleidomastoid.
Which border of sternocleidomastoid?
Posterior.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it?
هذا عندنا الاساس اللي هنا، هذه هي السترنوكلويدوماستويد. قال لك الحين هذا البوزيتيريور سايد منه. تمام؟ يبغى الانتيريور حق البوزيتيريور سايد او البوزيتيريور تراينجل.
اللي هي البوستيريور حق المفصل.
نعم، البوزيتيريور حق المصل نفسها زي كذا.
Clear now?
Yeah.
So these are the main things. So now posterior border formed by what?
trapezius.
Which border of trapezius?
بالانتيريور.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will. What is your answer?
Posterior triangle
Okay.
of neck.
Okay. posterior. So if we mark here, this is posterior triangle. Okay. Now,
Only a posterior triangle.
yes.
Triangle.
Okay. If we pin here,
Anterior
Anterior
triangle.
triangle. So don't get confused.
Yes,
So
anterior
now
triangular of this is the.
see the just
This is posterior
Yeah.
side. And
Wait,
this
wait,
is
wait, wait.
okay.
so now you know what to write. See this muscle. This is anterior triangle, posterior triangle. So if we pin here, this is posterior triangle. This is anterior triangle. Now the question.
Yeah.
Identify the pointed structure. So this is posterior triangle. Okay. Then anterior, name these borders.
Yes, relation.
And anterior,
Is posterior,
posterior,
border, posterior,
base
posterior.
and apex. So you have to write accordingly.
Occipital bone is here.
This is occipital.
يعني هنا.
No, this muscle during preparation.
Apex.
Okay.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yes.
Or the contents of posterior triangle. Okay.
Extremely interesting.
And then what are the contents of posterior triangle? Another question. Okay. Then same like anterior triangle. Name the anterior border. What is posterior border? Or name the contents of this triangle. Or name sub triangles. What are the sub triangles?
There are four.
Submental,
Submental.
submandibular,
Okay.
and then carotid triangles.
Carotid triangle.
Yes.
Submandibular, submental, carotid. Just three.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Carotid triangle is here.
yes. This is the carotid artery. This one. Okay. This is jugular vein.
From jugular foramen.
So all the things are same here. So sometimes we will keep this. What is this muscle?
Sternocleidomastoid.
Yeah. What is this here?
It's the same.
All are same.
Yes.
So just go through these specimens.
And then
Okay.
you find it.
Identify and confirm.
خلصنا بقى شرح بصوت عشان الله أكبر.
وبس اللي كان فيه تراكسيوس.
Okay. You have to remember the origin and insertion of the muscle, and then so what is this? The facial artery. So only artery we are keeping, and then the nerve. So here we will keep
Carotid nerve.
the nerve, facial nerve. Okay.
Welcome, Dr. Another this facial artery and